So today is the second part of the Igbo words we use every day. I randomly picked to improve your Igbo vocabulary. Okay? Yes, your Igbo vocabulary needs to be improved every day. So let's start. Hello guys, you're welcome back to this channel. Afam Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome back. Okay? Is the inner form not rename. If today is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I promise you a truckload of fun as usual, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. But before we delve into what we have for today, please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell, so when next I make an upload, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay. Number one on our list for today is ezioku. Ezioku. The truth. Ezioku. I am telling the truth. Anameku ezioku. I am saying the truth. Anameku ezioku. Say the truth or tell the truth. Kwuo ezioku. Okay? Yes. The next one is ase or ashe. Ase or ashe. A lie. Ashe or ase. Or ashe, it is a lie. Or ashe, it is a lie. A liar. Onye ashe. A liar. Onye ashe. Okay? Onye ashe. A liar. Lies. Ashe. Onye ashe. A liar. Okay? The next one is intutu ishi. Intutu hairs. Ishi head. So we have intutu ishi hairs. This intutu ishi. We have nails, fingernails. Mvo aka, aka the hand. Okay, mvo aka, fingernails. Mvo aka, fingernails. Then we have toenails. Mvo okpa for your leg. Mvo okpa. Then fingernail. Mvo aka, and mvo okpa for the toenails. Okay, yes. We also have students. Nwa akwụkwọ or nwata akwụkwọ. Student. Nwa akwụkwọ or nwata akwụkwọ. Nwa akwụkwọ or nwata akwụkwọ. Nwa akwụkwọ or nwata akwụkwọ. Student. Generally, that is what it is called before you specify the one you're talking about. That is the one at the university level, secondary school level, or primary. Okay? So the one at the university level is called nwata akwụkwọ mahadum. Nwata akwụkwọ mahadum. Mahadum is university. So nwata akwụkwọ mahadum. Then the one at the secondary school level, nwata akwụkwọ secondary. Nwata akwụkwọ secondary. Then the one at the primary level, nwata akwụkwọ primary. That's for the one at the primary school level. Okay? Yes. So we have a child. Nwata or nwa. A child. Nwa or nwatakịrị. A child. Nwa or nwata or nwatakịrị. A child, nwa or nwata or nwatakịrị for a child, okay? Now we have joy, joy, ọṅụ, 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 joy. Then ọṅụ, death. You know the difference? Ọṅụ for joy, then ọṅụ for death. Ọṅụ, death. Ọṅụ, joy. Okay? Aṅụrị, aṅụrị, happiness, to be happy. Obi aṅụrị. Okay? Aṅụrị, happiness. Or obi ụtọ, happiness. Obi ụtọ, happiness. Or aṅụrị, happiness. Okay? Ọṅụ, joy. Ọṅụ, joy. Ọṅụ, death. Ọṅụ, death. Okay? Yes. We also have vulture. Vulture is a bird, right? Vulture. Udene. Udene. Vulture. Udene. Vulture. Then the eagle. 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 Ugo. Ugo. Okay? Ugo. The eagle. Then vulture. Udene. The eagle. Ugo. Vulture. Udene. Okay? Then we have kitchen. Kitchen. Eku. Eku for kitchen. Eku for kitchen. Then fruits. Fruits. Mkpụrụ oshishi. Mkpụrụ oshishi for fruits. Mkpụrụ oshishi for fruits. Okay? Then we have ukwu oshishi for tree. Ukwu oshishi for a tree. Okay? A tree. Ukwu oshishi. Ukwu oshishi. Then fruits. Mkpụrụ oshishi. Mkpụrụ oshishi. Okay? Then seed. Seed. You know the seeds. Yes. Mkpụrụ. 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 Seeds. Mkpụrụ. Mkpụrụ for seeds. Okay? Then we also have onye nkuzi, teacher. Onye nkuzi, teacher. Onye nkuzi, teacher. Then to teach. To teach. Nkuzi. Nkuzi, to teach. Nkuzi. Then the teacher is onye nkuzi. Onye nkuzi. Okay? We have ụlọ mkpọrọ. Ụlọ mkpọrọ, the prison. Ụlọ mkpọrọ, the prison. Prison is called ụlọ mkpọrọ in Igbo. Prison. Ụlọ mkpọrọ. Okay? Ụlọ mkpọrọ, prison. Ụlọ mkpọrọ, prison. Alright? Yes. Then the church. Ụlọ ụka. Ụlọ ụka. Ụlọ ụka. The church. Ụlọ ụka. Then market. Avia. Avia or afia. Avia or afia. Alright? Yes. Okay? Then we also have bottle. Bottle. Onono. Onono for bottle. Okay? A bottle of water. Owu onono mmili. Owu onono mmili. Owu is one. Owu or ofu. Ofu. A bottle of water. Ofu onono mmili or owu onono mmili. A bottle. Bottle. Yes. Onono. Okay. Ofu onono mmia. Ofu onono mmia. A bottle of wine or a drink, any other drink, okay? A bottle of wine, a bottle of drink. Ofu onono mmanya. Mmanya is a drink. It can pass for alcoholic drink or non-alcoholic, okay? Mmanya is a drink, wine, whatever the content is, but it is mmanya. as long as it's not water. So we have mmanya, mmanya, mmia. Mmanya. Generally, as a native speaker, you hear owu onono mmia, owu onono mmia, mmia, and not mmanya. Generally, you call that mmanya. But as a native speaker, you will hear owu onono mmia, okay? Mmia, mmia for the drink. Yes. So we have woke, woke, a male, okay? Woke, a male, whether young or old, a male generally is woke, woke. Then wanye, wanye, a female, whether young or old, wanye, okay? But as a native speaker again, you hear wanya from where I come from. Yes, Oka and environ, you hear wanya for a female, wanya, wanya, and not wanye. Generally, wanye. But as a native speaker from this part of Igbo land, you hear wanya, wanya, woke, wanya, a male and a female, woke na wanye, woke na wanye, okay? Then a husband, di, husband, di. Then a wife, wunye, wunye, a wife, wunye. So di na wunye, a husband and wife, a husband and wife, di na wunye, di na wunye. Then we have children, children, umwazi, umwazi, children, umwazi, children. Remember I told you a child is nwa, nwata or nwatakili, nwa or nwata or nwatakili, okay? So we have children, umwazi, umwazi or umwaka, depending on the dialect you're speaking. But from where I come from, umwazi, umwazi, okay? Umwazi, children, children, umwazi. We also have anyanwụ, the sun, anyanwụ, the sun, okay? Pepper, pepper, that is chilies, okay? Pepper, ose, ose, pepper, ose, pepper, okay? We have potatoes, potatoes, nduku, nduku, nduku for potatoes, potatoes, nduku, nduku. We have banana, banana, unele, unele, banana, unele, banana, unele, banana. Okay, and this brings us to the end of today's video. If you still want a video like this, please let me know in the comment box, okay? Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell, so when next I make a new upload, you will be the first to be notified. Bye.